Watch this video and learn how to draw a holiday candy cane.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to draw something for the holidays?
What we draw today?
Your favourite.
Yeah.
It's a candy cane.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
You like candy canes.
Yeah.
You ate a lot of them last year.
Artie loves.
Let's draw a delicious candy cane.
Yeah.
What's up, little artists?
Hello, everyone!
Okay, let's get ready. I see you've got your paper. Let's draw a candy cane.
Okay.
Let's go.
I always get so happy before Artie starts.
It's so thrilling!
Let's draw a little hook towards the top of the page. Now from the top of that hook, draw a nice big curve going upwards. Now let's continue that curve all the way around and down. And at the end, do a little straight line.
Okay.
That's it. Now from the tip on the left, let's curve all the way around, making our candy cane handle.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
Now draw another little straight line parallel to the first one. Now leave a space and let's draw a straight line coming down to the left corner of the page. Very good. Now let's do another one on the right. Don't forget the space. Join the lines together at the bottom with a half circle.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now remember that gap that we left? Let's draw a large circle inside that gap. Complete the circle.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Now let's draw the top portion of the bow. Draw a sort of eye shape on the left and another eye shape on the right. That looks really good, Artie.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Now draw two little curves coming down from the left and the right side. And a bottom curve that connects to the circle, first on the left and then on the right.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Now we're going to draw the bottom parts of the ribbon. Two curved lines coming down. Then connect them with another curved line. Let's do the same on the right side. A curved line and another curved line, and then connect those two with another curved line. You want a cartoon break? Okay, we can have a cartoon break. Go on then. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured green.
Artie loves green. Green leaves from the tree. Green grass. It's a little green frog.
It's a big green bus. Well done, Artie. You found lots of green things.
Artie loves green.
That was awesome, Artie. We learnt about lots of green things. Your shirt is green. Should we carry on and finish the drawing? Come on, then. Now we're going to draw the stripes on the candy cane. Let's do angled lines from the left to the right, with a nice space between each one. Looking good. Okay, enough singing, Artie. Let's carry on with our stripes, all the way up and across the top of the cane. Just a few more stripes. 1, 2, 3. Well, it looks finished to me, Artie. Do you think it's finished? Yay! Finished! All that remains now is to colour it in. What colours, though, for a candy cane?
That looks lovely, Artie.
Great job, buddy.
Are you happy with it, Artie? Are you finished? Great job, Artie. It came out so good. It looks so festive. I love the red and white stripes, and I particularly love the green ribbon. You did a really great job.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.